So Buddy and I are taking a little walk through our apartment and getting the mail. I did a video on my chicken salad that I'm making for lunch. I have showed my breakfast, and I am working late today, so it is a 12 to 8 kind of day for me. So just wanted to get on, say a quick hello. Hope everybody's having a fantastic Tuesday, and I will see you on Weigh In Wednesday. Take care. Breakfast this morning: toast, soft-boiled eggs, some parquet butter on my toast, and natural strawberry jelly. I am going to use 1 tablespoon for 40 calories and 0 calories in the spray butter. I have a cup of milk, Fairlife, fat-free, and it's 80 calories for a cup. And then 3 soft-boiled eggs. So, 15 calories maybe in my eggs. So 15 and 80 is 95. And 40 is 135 calories. Plus my bread is 120. So we have, my eggs are done. All right. Okay, now I'm going to make some chicken salad. This is just the way that I'm doing it. This is the first time I'm using Greek yogurt, so I'm only going to use 1 piece of chicken at first, just to see how I like this. So usually I'm not a fan of substitute the yogurt. So it says a half a cup of Greek yogurt, which this is about a half a cup. And then I'm going to use 1/4 of a cup of mayo. So, and we're going to use 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. Make sure we get a whole 1/4 of a cup here. All right. All right. So now we have 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise in here. We're going to combine that together. The yogurt maybe I should have mixed before I put it in there. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Salt, pepper, a little paprika, and I do a couple of quick things of dill weed. Oh, shit. That was a big thing of dill weed. Well, look at that. Let's add just a little bit more mayonnaise in there. I thought that lid, who knows what I thought. Anyway. A little more salt. Alright, I'm going to put that in the refrigerator to chill, and then I'll combine everything together. Okay, this is chilled now. So we're going to add all of these ingredients in here. Grapes, celery, and onions. Fold it in. I'm going to add just a little bit more pepper, another swoop of salt, just a little shake, and that is done. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator now so it gets nice and cold. Bon appetit!